Hey everybody, I got this lower chassis here from a high-cut Automower. I wanted to save this because I wanted to show this to everybody. In our videos, we're always saying, use a screwdriver, use a T-handle, do not use a cordless impact, cordless drill, electric screwdriver to remove the screws or reinsert the screws in your Automower because you will damage the threads, you will wear them out prematurely, and there's a lot of people out there that do not heed that warning. There's a lot of dealers that post videos showing them, using their cordless drill because they're going to get this done faster. You're not. You're not going to get done faster. The only thing that's going to get done faster is the expiration of your plastic components that you are taking the screws out of and putting them back in. That is it. How do I know that? Because right here are some threads. This is some plastic threads out of this chassis. This is a mower that was sent in to us because they couldn't figure out why there was moisture getting into the chassis, why they're having problems with their mower. Every time they would open it up, there was moisture in there. And we asked, well, have any repairs been done to it lately? What's the history with it? Well, we replaced the wheel motors. We started there. The wheel motors weren't even tight to the chassis because somebody used electric power tools to fasten the wheel motors down to the chassis. So this screw, which should start the thread in there at the edge, can be pushed in over halfway into that chassis now. No threads there. It's that way with every one of these holes. Same thing on this side. Push the screw right in. That one goes like 3/4 of the way in. That is why you don't use power equipment, because you can't tell how tight you're getting it. You don't know if you're getting it tight enough or you're getting it too tight. You can't feel that. That's why we keep saying screwdriver, T-handle. So oh boy, I just started this. There's a lot of resistance there. I must have that crooked. Let me pull that back out and start it over again. With your cordless tools, look straight. Oh, it's in. And then you end up like this, where maybe an hour, 2 hours later, your wheel motor is flopping around because it's no longer tight, because the threads have pulled out from the holes that are supposed to hold your wheel motor in there. Move on in here to the inside. Somebody was trying to do some work to the cutting height adjustment system for this Automower, and this hole here, the threads are gone. This one, the threads are gone. This one has the threads pulled up to the top. This one here has, I have no idea what's even going on with that. It looks like it's actually busted out on the side because it was started crooked. Battery hold down, threads gone, threads gone. Up here, this is the little spring that pushes against the cutting motor to keep it centered up. Threads are pulled out. This one here, you can see that they're very distorted. There's a little bit of thread in there yet. If you try to run a screw in there, I'm sure it's going to pull out. Here, where the chassis has bolt together. This one here, look at this. The threads are pulled out past the top of the surface, the mounting surface there. Over here, this hole, same thing. It's distorted and the threads are gone. So just everywhere you can tell. Right there, there's another one. The threads are gone like halfway down in there. This one here, threads missing again. This one here, threads are gone. So if you've ever wondered, well, why is this dealer showing a video of him using a drill? He's using a cordless impact and he's saying it's okay because it saves time. Okay, go ahead and do it. But this is where you're headed to. You can get away with it once or twice probably, but you're only shortening the life expectancy of these parts because it's metal screws going into plastic. So every time that impact of that electric equipment yanks on that screw, it's going to put extra force or extra torque on that plastic that shouldn't be there. Same way when you go to tighten it down. You don't know, like I said, you don't know if this is going in there straight, or if it's crooked, or if there's dirt in there, or if you've bottomed it out, because you can't feel it. You're just squeezing a trigger, and it's going to feel the same way from start to finish when you're squeezing that trigger. So there's no way to tell if this screw is as tight as that one, if the chassis seal has been squished down properly or evenly. You have no way of knowing that when you use electric equipment to disassemble and reassemble one of these. So it is in your best interest to heed my advice and use screwdrivers, T-handle, anything but electric powered equipment to remove the screws and replace the screws in your Automower. If something like this has happened to your Automower already and you need to fix it, I can tell you where to go get parts to fix it. www.roboticmowerservices.com. If you can't find what you're looking for there on our website, then send us an email, roboticmowerservices@gmail.com. Let us know serial number and model of what you're working with and what you're looking to fix or what you need help with your mower, and we'll do what we can to get you fixed up as quick as possible. That's going to do it for this video here. Hopefully now you guys see that I'm talking from experience of what I actually see out here in the field. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future videos where we can show you this cool stuff like this. That's going to do it. Thanks for watching.